So ihe na-ewe ukwu anụ ndị mbe unu wetara gị maka na ịwa ada. Hey! Ọ gọrọ bụ ife ndị a. Ada na-eri ukwu anụ. So have you people seen? This is ukwu anụ from our mama's place. So they brought her special ukwu anụ. Ada na-eri ukwu anụ. So even if it's cow that is killed, the Ada will eat the ukwu. Even if it's chicken, Ada will eat the ukwu. Goat, Ada will eat the ukwu. Even if it's snake, Ada will eat the ukwu. Snake with the ukwu self. Always in the nata snake. You make one azụ mkpa anyị na-afụ n'afịa. Ọ bụ na ha ya ọfụma azụ eke azụ agwọ na-akwa ndị a. Ka anụ agwọ ka mma akpụ ya akpọ wụrụ azụ agwọ nwa. He mix her dry chai mix kocha. Hey, you know chai. Maka na ọsọ okpu dị ebe. Eh, okpu dị inside then. Ha fiati. Oh my na ebe anu okwo be like nke nkịta ọ ya ebe ntutu. Oh, nah, the Hamatan this morning, the dog. Hey! Can the Hamatan 1 week they could one day? I tried to cut down that coconut tree. A coconut tree. They've already cut down the front. I came out late because they want to install a gate there. Okay, side that guy there. It is on any aman luteva. It is sure. Ebe ukwu ya tokoleto. Ebe leaves ya. See the observers of cutting down trees. See them. Make sure you open your eyes and observe well so that you narrate. You tell us what happened. Putan ebe Sunday. Ebe ahụ nọ. Ebu ebe ya beti. Lolo. Na ya super space ebe no ya do ya man ke na aja dị na. Remember this mango? Remember this mango that Marco climbed the other time? Look at it, they're cutting it down because the mango is destroying the zinc of their shop. So they want to cut it down. Oh my God, R.I.P. mango. And the name may be roof. Many Una ke bunia last year after Omicha. Or kita nani you know me jurenu. Ganani. What you call her too? Hey. Manga tao. Oh my God, look at. Hey. Yeah, with him. I'm going to no kotagoro. Hey. Okay, okay, na omirami. I'm going to side him mana gaziman nata. Nata mbe mango. Make you face side. Oh, it's equal. I didn't so no. Oh, tell them. As you have seen so far in this video, my husband's kinsmen started the year with a spring clean of their big compound. Lots of things had to go, including this very old mud house. None of the people I asked knew exactly when it was built, but they showed me a photo taken in 1956. And this building was already in existence at that time. It's right in the middle of their big compound, so they decided it needs to go so they can build an obi there. Someone please translate what an obi is before I bite my tongue. Hey, ooh, madre. Nekwe photo hangi chanaja. Hey, photo hangi chanaja. That is it. Yeah, we hear it. You can see it in a museum. See the old TV. See the TV. And the lantern. See the TV. Look at it, knocked down. It's so sad because this is probably the last mud house in this town. The last of our heritage is gone. I wish it were not in the way so we can preserve it and its contents. Yeah. My husband's uncle has udara tree right in his compound. Yeah, usually you have udara at a communal place, so that kids can go there. Look at that. Can you imagine having an udara tree in your compound? You're not rushing it with anybody. Look at them. Some of them have started ripening. It's a taboo to pluck udara, but this is the first udara I'm seeing since I came back this Christmas. So I think I'm going to break a taboo, make the taboo, do a taboo. Marama watch like that. Ma kutu kweta. Obara trabara tamano na toast kanko. Toast yugum. Nenu kanka de ko chago. Yes, in every morning no dey boku da. Mo to agolode. See the unripe ones. See how they are so green. Hey, nenu kanka chago. You can choose. Hey! See, you see, this one is not yet ripe. Look at it, it's still green. Okay, I got to go to the other compound. Hey, Okwangwaru, you go hold that. That should go hold that. Let's try your side. This chala charge driver. New quest part in here going home. You do high order. You see? See, this one is ripe already, ready to fall. You daddy? Hey. There are soldier ants there. Sorry, oh. Sorry. Hey. Ndo. Jesus. Molozo. Body konde tagugata. Ndo. Hey. Ndo. See what we got. This is a very ripe one. That's the one I'm going to eat. See where they're drying the meat. Whew. This is my husband's uncle that killed the cow that brought uguano for my mother-in-law. So they're drying the remaining ones here. The very dry Hamatan weather will help it dry. That's why they spread it out here. it. See the seed. It will fall off. Nana da kego. Amazon. Hey, kopo na aka one kene kwala kene. You see why it's good to be going to your grandparents and great-grandparents' houses. See Oha tree. Ora tree. This one with the ladder leaning on it. See how it grows. You have to keep plucking it so that it doesn't mature too much. It needs to be soft. See scent leaves. Scent leaves. You can actually take the seeds from here and plant it anywhere in the world, water it, and you'll be enjoying Nigerian pepper soups.
My back. Okay.
Look at it here. See another one. This one is castor seed plant. See it? This one. Castor seed plant for making ogiri. That's what we used to make ogiri. Ogiri. I don't know. I can't see the seeds very well. My good afternoon.
Happy New Year.
Hey!
Happy New Year.
Hey.
Happy New Year. None.